Currently, our storage situation for the house is just this big pile of boxes that's basically taking up majority of our living space, because like I'm at the front door. Okay, so this is an issue. Like, this box is donations, and that's a generator that will not live in here. So I'm gonna start some dinner and then we'll get to her. We're gonna start with what I hope will be the easiest, which is my yarn bin. I hope at the end of this, all my crap will fit under the bed where this does not fit now. So let's go. There's trackers on these. Why? Okay. This I stopped because I ran out of yarn and I have not bought more yarn for it since. I should probably just take it apart, but it's cute. I stopped working on this vest because I got bored, but it's literally almost done. Like, all I have to do is sew the shoulders and then boop, boop, boop. I really should finish this because it's kind of cute. It's my first sock that I made that I don't like because the end of it is weird and pointy. I don't know what I'm doing with that. Cute yarn at the thrift store. They put like tape and shit on it. It's like, I'm gonna rip the yarn from the tape. Hey, Momo. Alright. That's gross. I don't like sticky things. This is finished. I just need to glue the ends in. Okay. I forgot. I brought this to work. It was really slow. I made like a little crochet kit in a bag. And I just left it in there. It's a pair of hand warmers. Why am I like this? They're just little hand warmers. I need to post these. Like this. Or actually that whole like floof is like cute. Okay. Oh, this has a friend. Oh, these guys are friends. I could make something out of that. I did not think I had that much of that yarn. So like, this is so cute and I'm so never gonna use it. I don't like this yarn. It feels icky. I think I would love like a hat with that, like a beanie. Like, I don't know what to make with this. It's barely any. I guess I can make a head, like an ear warmer. Maybe. I might be able to make an ear warmer. Probably would maybe run out. Meg, did you put this in here? Yeah. You put that in there? You put that in there? Hey! Empty! It's empty! I'm like, do I sort it or am I just done? Am I just done? Like, I could just like shove the top on and just be done. I might do that. It kind of closes. Oh, it totally closes. It's just doesn't feel secure. Going under the bed. I like that a lot more than having it not under the bed. Hi. I have lots of clothes. But I wear the same things over and over again. We're gonna go through my clothes. And I'm taking a video because maybe it'll make me motivated? I don't know. I don't know. First is all my crap that's hanging up. So this is something I don't wear very much, but I feel like if I got rid of it in the future, I would be like, damn, why didn't I keep that? Because it's like memorabilia. So I might stick this in my garage and forget about it for a few years. See, I don't know, guys. Because I like everything, obviously, that's why I bought it. But it's like, I don't wear this very much, but these are basically the same. Maybe I should get rid of both of them. Most of my clothes are like pretty boring, to be honest. But I don't know, I'm kind of boring. I made this and it eats. This at the Billy tour. I don't wear sweater vests that much, but like I'm obsessed with them. Like I make them all the time and I buy them all the time. But I wear maybe one a month. And I didn't make this one, so she's gots to go. I also made this one. This is one of my first sweater vests I made, so always keep this one. I got this at the bins and it was a hoodie, but the sleeves were all messed up, so I cut it. This is one of my favorite sweaters ever. It has a moose on it. Keep. This is for when I want to look like a sexy businessman. It's the only one of its kind that lives in my house, and therefore we have to keep it. Because when I'm a sexy businessman, this really comes in handy. This is probably the most grandma thing I own. And look, it's a theme. A moose. I wore it for Thanksgiving and it was delicious. That is the hanging up things. So it's time to start emptying drawers. My shirt drawer and miscellaneous handmade items that I had way up high hiding from my cats. I don't wear them because they're up there because I'm small and I can't reach. So I think I need to hang like the in-season items up so I can see them so I wear them. Otherwise they just live in the drawer and don't get worn, even though they're super cool. This is the keep. This is the donate from before. Kind of like sometimes think about giving it some chops. I think I would wear it more if like the sleeves were more capped. Oh, there's a laundry detergent stain on there. That's glorious. Yeah, I wouldn't feel so bad about cutting it up now, so I might just cut it up. Number 85 has no significance to me, but like the colors and like the text layering, no tag, my apologies, but oh, I wish I had 100 more t-shirts like this. A big t-shirt club, big Harley Davidson on fire skull on fire, dead. Love it. This is like one of my favorite t-shirts, and I wore it to my house while we were still working on it and didn't realize it was a paint day, and I got paint all on it. But I still wear it because it's really cute, and I will keep this forever and ever, and it's so cool. And I need to do bubblegum for Halloween one year so I can wear this. When I pull my stuff out, I don't have as much clothes as like I feel like I do, because I used to hoard clothes really bad. So I just always feel like I have so many clothes. But this is not that much. This is not that much. So I'm kind of proud as I do this. Now's the random bin of things that I've made. This is like my newest one in here. And I made this knit t-shirt with both my kitties on it. This is Megan on the front. And then I got Momo on the back. I haven't worn it out yet. I'm still kind of brainstorming how to even wear it. We'll make it work because there's my kitties on it. I love this one, and I've been thinking about this all week, wanting to wear it. I made this for Halloween to dress up as Ash from Fantastic Mr. Fox, and my costume is so cute, not to brag. This is the first like cardigan I made with buttons and buttonholes that I knit because it's so cute and squishy. This is like always gonna be one of my favorite knits, and like the first knit that I made that I was like, holy shit, I can make stuff, where I was like actually impressed with myself, because are you kidding? Like it actually looks so good on. I need to stop making stuff with acrylic yarn though, because like I don't wear these very much, and you can already see them getting like fuzzy and pilly, which I kind of like that it looks fuzzy, but I just know it's going to turn into like more pilling, and then I'm going to have to do some maintenance on it, and I just wish I had the funds to get nicer yarn. And that's a goal I have like for the future, to invest in more natural and nicer yarn. But I already made these, and I'm gonna wear them. I'm gonna sort this mess out now, hang some of the long sleeves up, hang some of these up, and then we'll do pants. I took an intermission to cut the shirts. The other two kind of sucked, but this one is so much better, and I already can tell I'm gonna wear it all the time now. Back to the reset. Probably have more sweats than I do actual pants because I like to be comfy. I've pretty much purged down to what I actually wear. Do some of these things not fit me that well? Yes. Do I own a belt? Also yes. So I will be keeping the things that are cool, that are too big on me, that I hide with big shirts. I didn't cut the bottoms, but they are too long for me, but I don't want to damage the bottoms because they're really cool, and someday maybe I'll have like a really cool son or daughter who will want to wear them, because these are men's pants. Because don't sleep on the men's pants, because they make them better, and they have pockets, and they're sexy and gorgeous, and maybe you need to wear a belt with them, okay, because you have a skinty little girl waist. But guys, I have to have them. It's a necessity. Can we talk about how Velcro eats everything? There's so many like different colored fuzzies in here, but it's kind of a vibe. I don't know. Okay, next ones are like one of my favorite thrift finds ever in my whole life. They still have a belt in them because I wore them yesterday. The one thing about them is the waist is so big on me, guys. Every time I wear these, even with a belt, it looks like I have a bulge. Which I guess isn't like the worst issue. But I just wish I could wear these with like a croppy top, but I just can't because of the bulge. So that's really disappointing. But these are, guys, They're so cute. They're so cute. They're so cute, and they're so long to me they drag on the floor, but I'm not cutting them because someday my really cool son or daughter will want these, and they won't want them cut. They're Lucky brand. Okay, I don't know how old they are, but they're really sexy, and I found them at Goodwill, and I love them. And they're 100% cotton, and I don't know much else about them. They have the Lucky You thing in the pee-pee hole, which I think is so funny. Oh my gosh, I love these pants, and I wish they fit me better, but I'm gonna keep them forever until I die. I have a few pairs of my overalls. There's one I had to put in the laundry basket because this one slept on them. She loves to sleep on my clothes, and they were black overalls. They looked white. So those are in the laundry, but 100% keep. They're black corduroy, vintage Old Navy overalls. I'm never getting rid of them. They were in like nearly perfect condition when I got them, but I painted my house in them. So now they have like paint marks, but it's cute because it's from my house. So it's like, it's not messy because it's from my house. It's like a keepsake. And I did cut these for my short little legs. Never ever will get the overalls with the crisscross in the back. Those aren't overalls. You gotta get the boys like work overalls with like the giant asses. Those are the only good ones. And these are my giant Dickies. Ordered these on the website. I did the measurements and everything, and somehow they came like super giant. And it can be a vibe. I just have to work really hard to make it a vibe. I really mainly have to wear it with like a sweater so that it bulks up the top so it kind of matches. And the legs are kind of like, I don't know the word for it, but I would call them like pantaloons. Like they're really big, which again, I can make a vibe. It just takes effort. So I don't wear these as much, but when I do and when I work for the vibe, it looks really cool. We cleaned. I might go through my panties by myself and you're not looking, so don't even ask. Amen. I just threw up a little bit in my mouth. Bye.
Ooh. Wow. Oh my gosh. You sorted that all by yourself? Wow. That's amazing.
Then all my other clothes are in here. Don't look at that. It's not mine. And this is like prop clothes for the kitties to sleep in. And so they think that they're sleeping in my laundry, but they're really not. So she's going. I couldn't wear any of them because little miss would put her little poot in the goot and get her little hairs all over it. But that's it. My battery's about to die. So thanks. See you maybe in another. I haven't made a YouTube video in so long. See you. I don't know when. Hopefully I'll be making more. That's a goal. But who knows? And who cares?